Hi everybody. So from the title of this video, it's kind of a bummer episode. Not a bummer, but I mean, we were supposed to film a Chatting with Alana in the Combine, and you guys were going to meet my husband and all of that. But as soon as I got done filming the Fridays Finish It Friday on Thursday, as soon as I got done filming that, my husband texted me and said the Combine's broke down. I have to go like 40 miles away to go get the part, to drive 40 miles back, get a hold of somebody that can fix it. And then the grain truck is not running right. And it was just one thing after another. And then a few minutes after that, I got a text message from him, or a phone call from him, saying that his sisters called and said that we needed to get to the nursing home. We had a little bit of a scare with his mom. And if you don't know, she's on hospice in a nursing home right now, and it's just kind of, you know, it's going to play out the way it plays out, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So there's really nothing that we can do. She's DNR and on hospice, and we just kind of go with when we get a notification. When we get an email, or a text message or a phone call or anything like that. So it's just playing it by ear, I guess is what you want to say. And then we can't film this weekend because today's Friday. We're leaving Friday to go down to Southern Illinois University. My daughter, me, and my husband, and we're going down to our oldest, and we're staying at her apartment for the weekend because it's a family weekend thing at the college. So we're all going down there and spending the weekend with her, and then coming home Sunday. Probably, I'm going to guess it's probably going to be late Sunday, so I won't have any time to film a Chatting with Alana, so for you guys to meet my husband and all of that kind of stuff. So today's Chatting with Alana is the update with why we're not doing that right now, and an update on my mother-in-law. So she's still spry. And the hospice and the nursing home are letting her have a glass of wine every evening, and she loves that glass of wine. And it's so funny. She's like, "Where's that wine? Where's my wine at?" As long as she gets it, we don't care. So like I said, this is gonna be a short one. I gotta finish packing here, cleaning the litter. I need to do my litter boxes, vacuum here, and then go to the farm and do a load of laundry, get the house straightened up there, and then I need to come back to the house because I have my husband ordered something and it's supposed to be coming in today and all that. So I got to come back here to get that, and then go back to the farm and wait for him to be ready to leave so we can hit the road, which is where we're going. It's 2 hours south. So yeah. So it's still just one thing after another right now. But it will happen. Like my husband said, it may take until December before we get this filmed, but we will get them filmed. I'm trying to think of something else I can talk to you guys about that I haven't already talked to you about. There's really nothing right now. I'm working on my next tutorial. Wednesday, you are going to see part 1 of a 4-part layette set with the little overalls, a little beanie, matching blanket and pillow cover, which is adorable. I love it. I think it's so cute. And then after that, I want to do like a lap band kind of thing. Something easy that I can film, or I can crochet and not have to put too much focus into to do. But yeah, so that's kind of my update for now. I'm sorry that this is a short video. I don't have much to talk about. I just wanted to let you guys know that it's going to happen. It's like I tell my husband all the time. Man plans, God laughs. Every time I try to plan something like this, God laughs. And that's why I say, God willing, we can do this. Whenever he tells me or lets me, I'll say that. But anyway, I'm going to get off here, go clean this house, and then go to the farm and do all that fun stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry it's a short video. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.